We have talked about taking screenshots, but where do we put screenshots or other documents such as reports or graphics and many other things? Well, we create a folder, a desktop folder. This is your desktop. That is the screen you see in front of you. Your desktop may have lots of things on it, and then it becomes confusing and difficult to find stuff you need right away. So it's best to organize your documents, graphics, movies, screenshots, etc. in folders. For example, here's my folder that says school stuff. If I click on it, then I have more folders. I have notes and updates and different items that I have classified into folders. And then inside those folders, I can have more folders. For example, let's go to tutorials. If I click on that, it opens that folder and it shows that I have tutorials for YouTube. I have a folder for just raw footage that hasn't been edited. I have a folder for tutorials just for staff, and I have a folder for tutorials just for students. So yes, you can have a folder inside a folder inside a folder. Well, how do we do that? Well, we go up to the top where we see File. We click on File and we drag down to where it says New Folder. There's our new folder, and see how it's a light blue? You can actually type that title of that folder right away. Like say you want a folder just for your math things or just for family photos. Now, if it hasn't been light blue because you clicked on something in the meantime and it turned into just a regular untitled folder, you could click on it once and it will turn dark blue. You click on it again and it will turn light blue, and then you can caption it. You can put my stuff, you can put your name, because inside of that you're going to have other things. So if I open that up, I go to New File, New Folder, and maybe I want to put under my folder, which says Celine's folder, I might want to put school. Then I create another one, work. Then I create another one, family. Or maybe instead of the various types of life situations, I might want to put things like photos, Word documents. Maybe you like to do spreadsheets like I do. Excel spreadsheets. Maybe you do presentations. Presentations. Take that out. See how I accidentally dropped that in there? You just drag it out or drag it in. So now that I have folders, I can start putting things in those folders. This one says photos. You can even get even more detailed by opening up folders inside that, and it might be just JPEG photos. JPEGs, which are photos that you can download. This one might just be screenshots, which are PNGSs. And then this one might just be GIFs. I know GIFs are real popular nowadays. Or maybe you have a Snapchat or Instagram, just for Instagram only. Or stuff that you may have downloaded elsewhere that you want to keep organized. So folders inside folders inside folders are really helpful for organizing things that you need to find right away instead of looking at a messy desktop that's got everything all over it. So don't forget that once you make a folder, title it right away. Put your title. And then you can put anything you want to inside that folder and organize it. Well, that's it. Happy organizing. Organize that messy desktop if you've got one.
On your iPad desktop, press down on an app and hold it until an X appears at the top left and the rest of the apps wobble. Then drag the app on top of another app icon and hold until a box appears. This box will be your folder. Name the folder whatever you want and click Done when you have finished. Then click on the screen outside the box area to take you back to the desktop. To add more apps to the folder, press on the app you want to add and drag it to the folder. When you have finished, click on the Home button.